Hi guys! Everyone loves fast food. I mean food that you can cook up in less than 10 minutes, like this peanut noodle dish. I love noodles and I love peanuts, and when the two put together, it is heavenly. Let's make it. You need MotherSauce9 Vegan, sesame oil, vinegar. Black vinegar is my preference, but white vinegar is okay too. Plus the basics, sesame oil, garlic, and spring onions. And of course, our star of the dish, peanut butter. Crunchy is so good and a way to go. But if you like creamy peanut butter, that's okay too. Now, when I eat vegetarian, I love to add tofu and vegetable. And today, I use baby Buc Choi. You can certainly use any vegetable you like, kale, carrot, broccoli for example. I cook up the vegetable in the same pot I cook the noodles in. The noodle I'm using today is a vegetarian noodle, which cook up really fast, about 2 minutes, and tastes nice and light. Be sure to drain out the water completely. You don't want to dilute the peanut sauce. Now, to make the sauce, I heat up my wok on medium-high heat and some oil. I use canola oil and then add the thinly sliced garlic. The white part of the spring onions is added too. Other recipe is adding garlic and onion raw. I really don't like the raw taste. And the smokiness of the cooked garlic and onions really add another dimension to the dish. Plus, they cook up very quickly. After they are nice and brown, add tofu. I used fried tofu here, but firm tofu is a good substitute. Then grated ginger, and then about 3 rounds of my mother sauce number 9. At this point, you should go ahead and taste the sauce. If you need more sauce, so add more MotherSauce9 Vegan if necessary. Then turn off the heat completely. Then I add the rest of the ingredients: peanut butter, sesame oil, and black vinegar. If you have never tried black vinegar before, you must. It adds another dimension of umami flavor with a slight lingering sweetness. Bold and complex, it can transform your dish. I use doenjang vinegar here. Check out my website if you cannot find it in your local Asian store. It's mothersauce9.square.site. Now on with the last part, adding the cooked Buc Choi and noodles. Be gentle when you're stirring, you don't want to break the noodles. And it's time to plate and eat. Now I love to plate things in a big platter. Sprinkle some green onions on the top with roasted sesame seeds, and the best part, the roasted peanuts. I love the crunch, so I leave them whole. People eat with their eyes, but I think people love to eat with their ears more. And to bring everything together, I sprinkle some of my hot chili sauce on top. My husband doesn't like to eat spicy, so more for my bowl. I hope you love this version of peanut noodles. Give it a try. May you have good health, a very Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year, everyone. Cheers!